Hello everyone, today I'm going to be opening up this lovely box from Tokyo Otaku Mode. I do know what's inside. I'm very excited to have this stuff. I ordered this quite a while ago, and I don't remember if it was pre-order or just delayed because of world events, but I'm very excited to open this. There we go. Toss away the noise. So you do always get a nice little mini clear file, some nice artwork. I think I have like a bunch that have the same art, but this is nice, different art. And then, turn it this way. Then we have what's inside. So this is all Clamp anniversary stuff. And it was the 30th anniversary, so these are all labeled 30. And yeah, I'll open these later. These are little picture frame art things. I'm hoping that they're all different, but we'll see. And then the other thing, I just picked up the clear files, which were easy collections to gather. I think there were a few that I couldn't get, but I did try to get all of my favorite series. So I picked up this one because it's got like everyone on there. You can probably see there's Sakura and the two Shourans, one from Cardcaptor Sakura, the other from Tsubasa. It's Kamui and Subaru, and just everybody's on there. Yeah, there's even Sue. Like, you hardly see Sue. This brings me joy. I love so much of Clamp's work, so just seeing that makes me happy. And it has nice, pretty gold Clamp seal on the back, the anniversary mark there. And then I went for some series-specific files. So here's Chi from Chobits. And I think there's two in here, actually. I saw two in there. Okay. So they all do come in this bag that has the 30th anniversary seal. But now I feel like I have to open this. Look, is there? I think this one is just a one. Yeah, this is just the single, so I'm not going to open this one right now. But this one has two. So there's the one with just Chi. And then there's like little chippy cheese. Very cute. This one is from Tsubasa. So we have the main image. This one you could look at like anyway because they're just laying down sleeping. It's very cute. And then the one with the chibis. So cute. Holic. The artwork for Holic was always so like elaborate and just beautiful. And the chibis. I forgot these came in sets of two, and I'm so happy. I feel like with the amount that I'm opening and showing, it's like, which works of Clamp are your favorite? Yes. So this is from Clover. And then Cardcaptor Sakura. You knew that had to be in there. And this is obviously the clear card art. Throughout the back. Look how cute they are. Magic Knight Rayard. And Chibis. I love how they have the little like ears on their. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. And then Tokyo Babylon. Let me see if this is double. Oh, I see. Okay. So for this one, this was another one of the Clamp series ones, and I think you could pick out the different ones. So the back is Tokyo Babylon, this side is Rigveda, and then this one has Kobato and School Detectives, or actually Defenders as well, Wish, and Angelic Lair. And then on this side, we have the Man of Many Faces and Kamui. And is this? I think that's Fuma. Like, if it is, he looks so regular. Yeah, I'm not sure with this one because that could also be some of the other characters. Now I'm confused. Either way, love it. I'll make sure to double check that one, but yes, this is a nice way to bring in some of the other ones. I think that they were sold out of the X one, because I think that they had one for X 1999 with Kamui on it, and I think they were sold out, which I'm big sad about, because I would love Tokyo Babylon and X 1999, but maybe they were both sold out, because I would have ordered it. Yeah, so that's it for the clear files. Next we'll do these little blind boxes. You probably can't see the options, like I can't even tell. Just various ones from their series, that's about it. Ooh, the first one is from Holic, if you can see that. Oh, cool. So, these are little picture frames that have a nice little easel stand, but they're also pins. I didn't see that they were pins, I knew they were picture frames. Cute. Next one. Here, I'll bring that closer. The next one is Sakura. Cute. And then the last one. Oh, I think this is from... It's so funny because out of all of these, okay, that's Hikaru. Magic Knight Rare Earth. I think out of all of these, the Sakura one is actually the most plain. Like, I don't know, there's something very elegant about that one. And, well, Holic always looks good. Not that the little Sakura doesn't look good, because that's adorable, but yeah, these are super cute. They're pretty pricey, and that's why I didn't get too many, but I definitely would. I really want the rest of those clear files. They're gorgeous. So that's it for this video. Until next time, bye.